Hi, this is Paul from Vendtec.ie. I get an awful lot of questions about how do you fill can vendors and how do you price them. This is a Vendo 189, just a small standard machine. So what I'm going to do today is show you how to load it up. Okay, so we just open it up here, open the inner door, and we'll have a look inside here. Okay. What you need to do is, if the machine's being completely empty, you need to move this bar, the bar on the right hand side to the right hand side position and start to load your cans from that position. I will show you how to do a test vent so that the arm will actually move into that position. Also, you need to watch this back cover here, that it can be adjusted. You've got come in here, you've got little holes there with pins, so you can move those pins down or forward depending on the size of your bottle. So if we just rest this here. So what we're going to do is we'll place some cans in. So there's the first one. There's the second one. So what you're actually looking for is a slight gap in between the two cans. So just like about a finger size. And that's perfect. So what we do then, the next can will come along, place on the left hand side. Pop it in and just get us above the kind sold out lever, which is this here, or the can sold out lever I should say. Pop it in. Okay, so now we need to test it to make sure that it's the first can that will drop out will not drop out on the first vent, because it's actually going to load itself. So what we do, we need to go into the mold and do a test first. So this is the control board, the mold button is in here, press it once, come around to the front of the machine and it's saying error. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is just press the second button. I'm trying to move this back here. And keep on pressing it until it says test. Then you press the fourth button down, which is enter. Now column, so that's column 1. Now column 1 starts from the left, or sorry, the right hand side, right across there. Inside the machine you can see a picture. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is only a 5 selection machine. We're looking for column 2. Okay. So we move across. We press the second button again. Press column 2. So the next button we're going to press is the fourth button, and that's an enter button. And what it actually does, it actually run the motor. That's one go. Yeah, that's the cans after dropping in to the selections. So now when we press it again, we get our first candles. So then we just go ahead and we just load this all the way up. Also on this machine, people want to know how to price. So just come along here. So to get out of the kind test vent, just press the top button again. It says test. Press the second button again. Cash, sale, price. Stop, config, money, return. Actually, I might just say to you as well, this one here, people looking for it. This is tube fill. So this is the program that you go into when you want to fill your COIMEC. So you press second and then you press the fourth button down to enter. Then you go ahead and fill your COIMEC. What we're looking for is pricing. Price and press enter. So it's looking for a password. So the password is 42314. So it comes up there. €1. So that's column 1. Enter is €1. Okay. Then we go to column 2. Enter. It's €1 as well. If we want to increase this, we press the second button down. Decrease, third button. Enter. And then we press the top button again. So we go through them all. So number 3. Press enter. It's €1 as well. 4. Enter. €1. And number 5. Let's put 2, 5, 4 button to enter. That's €1. So all those selections are all set to €1. So when you're finished, come back. We're pressing the number 1 button. Boom. And then flick along. Press the number 2 button until you see return. Press the 4 button and you're back out of the program.